Hi, this is Keith Logan, Executive Director at the Council on Aging. The last several weeks have been a blur as my new leadership role and the coronavirus pandemic have coincided. It's been a busy and dynamic time for all of us. We have successfully transitioned our Meals on Wheels service from daily delivery of hot meals by volunteers to weekly delivery of frozen meals by our COA staff. We don't know how long this will last, but we look forward to returning to daily hot meals as soon as it is safe to do so. Now that we have settled into that routine, we are beginning to look at how to expand. As many of you know, our waiting list had grown to nearly 100 people. Last week, for the first time in a month, we started to bring on some additional clients where there were openings on existing routes. In addition, I am excited to announce that we will be beginning service with an additional food provider in the week of May the 4th. Advent Health will provide the meals for 4 of our existing routes, allowing us to open up 3 new routes with Pardee. Fletcher, Hoopers Creek, Howard Gap, and Mountain Home routes will be provided by Advent. New routes will relieve the wait list in Mills River, the area around Asheville 25 and 191, and along the Sugarloaf Road corridor. In addition to our Meals on Wheels expansion, we continue to serve our Sammy Williams Center clients, albeit in a reduced capacity. Each week on Thursdays, we've been blessed to have bag lunches provided by First Baptist Church, along with shelf-stable supplies from the storehouse or IAM. About 30 clients have been picking up this food at the Sammy Williams Center. Starting in the week of May the 4th, the Hendersonville Co-op has offered to provide prepared meals for these clients as well. There are so many other great examples of how this community has stepped up to support one another. We have groups of individuals making masks, food pantries sharing food with one another, our volunteers making phone calls to Meals on Wheels clients, the Henderson County Public Schools providing 6,000 meals a day to students all over the county. This is indeed a special place in which we live. To our volunteers at the thrift stores, at the Sammy Center, with Meals on Wheels, and around here in the office, we miss you. We are so grateful for all you do for the folks that we serve. We eagerly look forward to seeing you all in the mix when restrictions loosen and everyone starts to emerge from their cocoons. Many of you who are confined to your homes during this time of sheltering in place are wondering what you can do to help. First, I would encourage you to get ready to volunteer once it is safe for us to return to daily hot meal delivery. We would need to open 8 to 10 new routes in order to be able to serve everyone that is on the waiting list. This would require 50 to 60 new volunteers, so enlist your friends and sign up. If you are not an active volunteer with us today, you can express your interest by filling out the volunteer inquiry form on our website, coahc.org. The other thing you can do is help financially. Serving additional clients requires funds to cover our food and administrative costs. With our thrift stores not operating, we are losing about 1/3 of the revenues that support our services. We know that many people have been impacted by the effects of this pandemic to the economy, and our prayers go out to each of you that are suffering because of this. But for those of you who are financially able, consider donating all or part of your stimulus check to the Council on Aging for support of older adults in our community. Thank you for your interest in and support of the Council on Aging and our mission to ensure that no one ages alone.